This is Bronson Hazen still being held hostage through mind control warfare by militants within the United States of America's military and agencies, and who are also communicating with militants utilizing illegal mind control warfare onto citizens within the United States of America and other countries on Earth, by also being funded by militant, unholy cyber soldiers from secret society families from the World War II era who have yet to be apprehended as war criminals due to militants in compounds using mind-controlling technology against Interpol, harboring these war criminals within countries. But I just wanted to make a quick video that for some reason I can feel that the Carter, I'm assuming through mind-controlling technology, since a cyber soldier is digitally stalking me, most likely. Hence the clinching and not being able to speak sometimes. That the Smith and the Carter that I previously recorded about that are buried here in St. George, Utah, they're white people. They were white. The ethnicity white. They could have been black or African American. They could have been Native American, perhaps. They could have been Asian, for all I out of all of these other ethnicities, I know they were white. I know for a fact. Yeah, there are African American Smiths that ventured through southern Utah around that time.